while Kale can't hear me, what's up, y'all? The vlog is back, kind of, maybe, sort of. I live in St. George now. I don't think anyone's freaking heard that yet on the channel, but I do. And my life has changed in ways I could never possibly imagine, but we still have the bike. We still riding with Kale out here. I mean, we are now, but I haven't ridden for like months, like literally months. Oh, it's freaking right this corner though, without talking. Well, that's a nice corner. That's beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyways, St. George is in southern Utah. You didn't know that. Friggin' Braden moved up to Idaho, so we don't be riding much anymore. Nice AMG, good road to take it on. And yeah, I don't know, I haven't been riding much. Been busy with school. Honestly, I found a new meaning in my life. I know it's kind of deep, but I don't know. If you know me and you're watching this, you know what I'm talking about. And that's actually a person, so if she is watching this, then she knows who I'm talking about. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna be honest, like, I don't want to die. Like, before it was like, I don't want to die, but like, I don't know what I really have to live for, so, you know, I guess we'll ride bikes a lot. But now, I don't know, like, I actually see a future that I want and that I'm really interested in. So, like, I really have a reason to live, I guess. Hey, there you are. I was just talking to the channel. I was talking to the channel. So maybe you can hear Kale. He's on the friggin' intercoms with me. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but there's like a little like room carved into a cave over here. Yeah, it's like, but it looks like a man-made cave. I'm not sure exactly where it is. I just remember seeing it. This is it. This is it right here. Counterbalance. Counterbalance, counterbalance, counterbalance. And onto the gravel. Oh, jeez. The gayest cave I've ever seen in my life. Oh, this is rapey AF. Yeah, it is. What the freak? I didn't know it was deep.
Bro, this is kind of stinky.
It is stinky. Ew. Yeah, this place is nasty.
This is, someone sleeps right here.
Oh. Ow. Oh my gosh. So we didn't quite get to Arizona, but that's like where we were headed. We're kind of headed to like the border. We stopped at this little cave thing. There were some pillows in there. Someone had definitely slept in there. It was very dirty and it smelled like pee. But yeah, I don't know. It's a cave, so I don't know. People have lived in caves, historically speaking. It's yeah, I don't know. Like being back on my bike. What a feeling. It's very, like, there's nothing like it. Oh, geez. There really is nothing like... I need to clean my tires off. There's clearly some junk, still freaking gravel still on them. Nothing like riding a motorcycle. They're just not. Like, you can't really put it into words. Or maybe you can, I don't know. It's very freeing. Like, I'm just independent. It's just as me, you know, on this bike. I go wherever I want. I do whatever I want. I go however fast I want. I, you know, lean however I want. It's very like a flowy feeling. Maybe I'm getting a little too poetic, but yeah, you're just kind of flowing through space and time. Time and space, literally, that's what you're doing. But it's in a very elegant fashion. Let's talk about something. Let's talk about life, you know? I'll try not to get too deep into it, because you gotta pay attention to riding the motorcycle, of course. But I don't know, I've had a really big life change. Like I was saying recently, like my life has changed like a lot in ways I never expected. And I don't know, when, you know, major events happen in your life, it kind of shifts your perspective. For one, I will tell you that, like, things can can change, you know, fast, in an instant. Like, sometimes it'll just feel like nothing's ever gonna change. You just go in day in, day out, same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing. It can get depressing, you know, it can get boring, and just feel like this is gonna be the rest of your entire life. But that's not true. Like, just out of the blue, things can change. Things can happen, you know? I guess, in my opinion, if I were to give someone advice who was in the place that I was in, maybe like 6 or 8 months ago, it's just that, just stay true to yourself, you know? Like, really try to stay true to yourself and be who you really are. Don't try to fake yourself, because, you know, if you fake yourself, you're never gonna end up around people that you like, because they're not gonna be, you know, similar to who you truly are. But if you're true to yourself, you're a lot more likely to, you know, be around people that are similar to you. You'll probably be a lot happier. So there's that. And I also just think staying true to yourself and, like, I guess having, like, a pure heart. Like, I know I'm getting real deep here, but having a pure heart and pure intentions and, you know, wanting to be a good person. Now, regardless of how successful you are, like, but, you know, truly wanting and trying to be a good person. And I think, like, karma is real, and I think good things will come to you. You know, it can take a long time, and it's just like anything, you know, just going in and putting in the effort day in, day out, you might not see any results for a while. You might not know if any results are coming, you know, and, but they're coming, for sure. Like, one analogy is like, is that the right word? Like, I started going to the gym, like, maybe 8 months ago or so, after my breakup, and, like, for a long time, it was just like, I don't see results, you know, I don't really see, maybe I see something, but, like, I don't know, I don't see any real results. I don't feel very rewarded. Like, it feels good to work out, of course, but, like, you know, I was just doing it. I was just doing it because I was going to do it. I was going to stick with it, and that's just that, you know. It didn't matter if I was rewarded. It didn't matter any of that. I was just going to do it, period. And I stuck with it, and it took a long time, and now, like, I actually feel really good about myself. Like, people notice, you know, people notice that I've worked on myself, and, like, it's all been worth it. It's paid off, like, for sure. Yeah, and that goes for all things in life. I'm not just saying, like, go to the gym. I'm saying, like, I don't know, be honest and try to learn things, you know, try to educate yourself. And just try to treat people well. Try to love people. I think, like, I've been thinking a lot lately, and I think, like, I guess, like, love is always a good answer. I'm not great at this, but, like, when I have a problem, I try to think, like, I try to say, you know, is love the answer? Can I answer this problem with love? And, like, 99% of the time it is. You know, there's things that, like, you can't pay your bills with love, but there's a lot of things that you can solve with love. I get so corny on my bike. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I feel free and happy, but seriously, people, positivity is the way. Love and positivity. I guess, just like, everyone, like, we're all people, you know, we're all, like, the same creatures, and you gotta try to, like, put yourself in other people's shoes. You gotta say, you know, how is this situation for them? You know, why do they do the things they do? Why do they act the way they act? Sometimes I just don't understand at all. But, like, they're people with feelings, and sometimes people are lost. What is that? Is it the moon? What the freak? It's, like, massive and orange. Dang. That's crazy. Anyways, sometimes people get lost. I've been completely lost. And when I say lost, I mean, like, I didn't know where I was going in life. I was confused. I didn't know what I wanted. And I was just trying to be happy, you know. I've been that way. I've really felt that. But yeah, you just gotta understand that people get lost, people get confused, and they just want to be happy. So, you know, I guess try to be understanding. I kind of feel like I'm talking to myself too here. Like, I need to do these things, and, you know, remind myself to do these things every day. But yeah, I do believe good things will come to good people. Bad things also happen to good people all the time. Really bad things happen to really good people. Not fair, but honestly, like, I think if you are a good person and you stay true to yourself and you stay true to being a good person, good things will come. I just believe that. Granted, you probably shouldn't just be a good person because you think you're going to get something out of it. But you know, when you're like sitting there like trying your best to be a good person and to like do things right for a long time and you just don't see anything coming out of it, it can be freaking discouraging. But I don't know, like, it'll come, things will come, you know. Anyways, that's just my new perspective on life, I guess. I'm a little less nihilistic. I wasn't nihilistic before, but I don't know, I feel a little more hopeful about life, I guess. I feel a lot more hopeful. A lot more hopeful? A lot hopefuler? I don't freaking know. Does this man really want to race me right now, or is he doing a wheelie? You want to race? I'm going to make an outro real quick, just so I don't forget. I don't know if I'm going to keep uploading videos. I don't know how much I'm going to ride. I mean, I registered my bike again, but like, it's not a daily at all. Like, it's more like a weekend thing, you know, and I really just try to avoid riding around a lot of cars. Very interested in staying alive and being safe, so I don't know. Anyways, I got off track. Ow, what the frick just happened? I think I just massive bug hit my head or something. Holy crap, that was like crazy. Was that a bird? I might have been a bat. Anyways, since I can't seem to friggin' get this off, thank you for watching. I'll just shout out my homies. I'll shout out Braden because he'll probably watch this, maybe, sorta. Shout out Kale. This man's on a motorcycle too. We're riding out here, you know, stating the obvious and whatnot. And yeah, shout out to all of my people. I will catch you sometime in the future, probably. Peace out.